Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at this 1980s Timex Electric watch, which as you can see is in very good condition and comes on this blue matching leather watch strap. These watches were very popular in the 1980s and in the 90s. So Timex made a lot of automatic, wind up and then battery powered watches. And this is some type of a hybrid because as you can see, the second hand is moving as if this was a mechanical watch. Now, a very interesting thing is that the watch has a battery right here, but it has a small sweeping rotor that actually gives you this motion that is typical to mechanical watches. Here at 3 o'clock we have the date complication. So we can see the day of the week and the day of the month. And here at 6 o'clock, we can see that the dial was made for England. So these watches were made for the United Kingdom when Timex wanted to get also into that market. And here, the last two digits on the right side are 8 and 0. So that means that this is made in the 1980s. Now, if we go on the back and we want to have a look at the exact movement and how this works, and open the watch, here you can see that the watch is still ticking. So you can see that it has a similar part to a mechanical watch, but it uses the energy from the battery in order to regulate that movement. And even after all these years, the watch keeps very good time. As you can see, the watch stopped. And when I place the battery once again, it doesn't start ticking because it actually needs a small movement in order to start ticking. And if we look here on the front, you can see that the watch is ticking. So this is how these Timex electric watches work. And then you simply press the case back in its place. And when you turn the watch around, it starts ticking. So guys, this is a very beautiful Timex watch from the 1980s. With a blue dial, as you can see, very good condition. We have polished the watch crystal so that it has this very beautiful, perfect look. So if you're interested in seeing more similar videos, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and also if you are into vintage watches, make sure to check out vintageradar.com as we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys and see you next time.